The next step for setting up your account is to authenticate your domain. Why do you need to authenticate your domain? Because it boosts your email deliverability and avoids spam filters. Professional email addresses like yourname@yourdomain.com are recommended, as sending from free ones like Gmail or Yahoo may trigger spam rules. Get a domain from registrars like GoDaddy or Squarespace domains. Domain setup isn't covered in this tutorial, but if you need a domain, you can start with the links provided in the description below. Next, here's how to authenticate your domain. First, navigate to Domain Settings. On the home page, click the Profile dropdown, then select Senders, Domains, and Dedicated IPs. Next, click the Domains tab and click Add a Domain. Second, enter your domain name without the prefixes like HTTPS. Click Add a Domain. Third, you'll need to authenticate your domain. Choose one of the three options. Automatic authentication is recommended and uses entry for DNS updates. Manual authentication is also an option, and Brevo will provide detailed steps for DNS setup. We're going to use automatic authentication today. For automatic authentication, you'll log into your domain registrar using entry. For example, I use GoDaddy. Click Continue, and complete the two-factor authentication if prompted. Click Continue, and then wait for the success dialog. If everything goes smoothly, you should get this pop-up that says your domain has been authenticated. Click back to Domain Listing. Fourth, you'll need to wait for DNS propagation. DNS updates can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate, so don't worry if it's not immediate. That said, in most cases, it takes place pretty quickly.